Welcome to Tumbling Waters Mobile Home Park in the heart of Covina, California. Today, we're excited to show you this brand new 2024 Fleetwood Canyon Lake Series manufactured home, priced at just $194,900 in place. This beautiful home offers the perfect blend of comfort and affordability, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a peaceful lifestyle in Southern California. As we approach the home, you'll notice its modern design and charming curb appeal. This home measures 20 feet by 48 feet, providing 960 square feet of living space. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it has all the essentials to meet your needs. Step inside and be greeted by the spacious living room, which serves as the heart of the home. With plenty of natural light and an open floor plan, it's perfect for relaxing with family or entertaining guests. The neutral color palette and contemporary finishes create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Next, we have the fully equipped kitchen, featuring modern appliances, ample cabinet space, and a convenient layout. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just enjoy a good home-cooked meal, this kitchen has everything you need. The home boasts 3 comfortable bedrooms, each providing a cozy retreat at the end of the day. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom, offering privacy and convenience. While the additional bedrooms are perfect for family, guests, or even a home office, both bathrooms in this home are stylishly designed and include all the necessary amenities. The combination of functionality and modern aesthetics makes them a wonderful addition to the home. Living in Tumbling Waters Mobile Home Park means you get to enjoy the serene environment and a close-knit community. The park offers a range of amenities, including well-maintained grounds and recreational areas. Located in Covina, California, you'll have access to a variety of activities and attractions. Spend your weekends exploring the charming downtown area with its shops, restaurants, and cafes. Enjoy outdoor activities at nearby parks, or take a short drive to the San Gabriel Mountains for hiking and nature excursions. Covina also hosts various community events and festivals throughout the year, making it a vibrant place to live. This wonderful home is available for $194,900 with a space rent of $1,300 per month. It's a fantastic opportunity to own a new home in a desirable location at an affordable price. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful manufactured home in Tumbling Waters Mobile Home Park. For more information or to schedule a visit, please contact us. We look forward to welcoming you to your new home in Covina, California.